What's up, world? It's your fancy new guy here, Serio, here to teach you a lesson on what is manufacturing. It's pretty simple. Stuff that's made. That's right, manufacturing is huge, but why don't you know about it? Good question. I'm here to tell you because manufacturing is literally everywhere around you. Do you have a cell phone? Of course you do, because that's probably how you're watching this video. It was manufactured by 30 different manufacturers. So how can you change your life in manufacturing? One word: skills. So manufacturing has a skills gap. Everything around you is at one point made. So how can you fit inside that equation? You just have to get started. That's why you're here. You're looking for a change. So if you're interested in a career in manufacturing, maybe you looked at machinist. But what is that? A machinist is someone that can set up a machine to make a precision part, but you gotta start somewhere. That's a lot of work, a lot of skill. But what if you start as a machine operator? There's a lot of buttons to push, and if all you gotta do is just show up to push a button, it's a pretty good starting point. So you're looking for a career change and you're scrolling through LinkedIn and you see all these positions open of machine operator, machinist, programmer, and you're just kind of confused as what are these words? Where do I start? So layman's terms, your machinist is the one that sets up everything, and your machine operator is the one that shows up and presses the buttons of the things the machinist sets up. So how do you become a machinist? It's simple. You just start as a machine operator. And through a year of pressing the button over and over again, you're gonna learn a few things because there's a lot of moving parts around you. No matter where you are, you just have to have the right mentality. And that mentality is manufacturing. Everything can be manufactured around you, and if something doesn't exist, you literally make it to where it does exist. It's that kind of a world where you really get to explore and have fun, but you have to have the right mentality. So where do you get started? You're already here learning what is manufacturing, so your next step would be to go to thefancynewguy.com. What are you signing up for? We're going to give you the inside tips and tricks and new lesson plans every month because you're valuable to us. We want to see you succeed because this industry needs you. It needs you in the biggest way because we need people fired up about this trade, because that's how you learn fast. And what happens when you learn fast? That's right, your dollars per hour go up. So let's get started by going to fancynewguy.com, and you can see me, your fancy new guy Serio, with my co-host Plantosaurus. I said us. We're in this together, buddy. That's fancynewguy.com. Thanks for watching.